Good. How are you doing? Good, good. Yeah. Oh, is it the assigned to you? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. What am I gonna do with this? This is huge.
It is.
This is so big for no reason. I'm sorry. You're cute, but stay there.
And it's sold out.
Right. Ominous with this one. This one.
Is that SZA? No. That is SZA. What the heck?
Hot dogs. Beltway, automobiles. Vroom vroom. I love traffic. Big cars, big traffic. More traffic. Yeah.
Day 5 of my move-in process. We made the most intellectual decision to move everything ourselves. We had the help of our brothers, and they helped a lot with the heavier stuff. We were sore for about 2 days just from going up the stairs multiple times. It was third floor to third floor. Just with everything, we still haven't really settled in just yet. Out for me to show you just how much we're doing, what we're decorating. We are getting a new couch, we're getting a new dining table. I still have to go to the other apartment as well and bring stuff over here to clean. We're giving some of our furniture away to some people at our church as well. So just a lot that still has to go. I think we're about maybe 80% done. I'm just ready to be done, but I'm also excited for just this new city, this new part of my life. We were closer to the city of Houston, so we're kind of like on the outskirts now a little bit. I love the unit and the space itself. There's so much light, there's so much just openness, and we have a lot of ideas in mind for decor and DIY. So it'll be fun just to bring you guys along and document it as well. I forgot my language learning journal, so I'm just going to use what I have right now and switch over when I get home. Now I'm still learning Spanish and Korean. I've also added French Creole to the list as well. I've never been to New Orleans. I've passed through New Orleans when I went to Alabama, but I never really stopped in Louisiana for anything, but I really want to go. I really just love the architecture. I love the history there. And I really want to go one day. So I know that hello is, I think it's 멸변 고마워해. But yeah, let me get started.
How do you say, please write it in English for me?
한국어로 좀 써주세요.
영어로 좀 써주세요.
내과가 안과가 내과가 지하철역 근처에 내과가 있어요.
지하철역 근처에 내과가 있어요.
What did I say? That's really cute. Oh, that's cute. No sardines. The pasta's really cute too. Is it like cute enough to get it cute?
It's not that cute.
It's not. It looks a little wonky. It's a fish. That's cute. Yeah. That's really cute. $17.99.
Okay, that's not bad.
No.
Okay. What does this ticket say? So, and then you can, yeah. Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Push it while I pull it. Pull it.
Okay.
You pull it back. There you go. See? Okay. No, I'll leave it work.
Still settling in. I'm still working on fully unpacking. The biggest part of it is just trying to delegate things to their areas that I want them to go. I'm a little overwhelmed with it all, but I'm taking it bit by bit because I don't want to sour this experience. Our bodies still feel like this sense of restlessness, like things aren't done. So the next few weeks will probably take just to relax, decorate as we need, as we want to. I feel like it'll get there. I feel like once I get into a new routine, I get into the swing of things, everything's settled in a place, I can make this place my room, my home. I'll be good. been a couple days since I last filmed. It's been a whole week actually, and we finally started to put decor up in the living room. My roommate and I kind of sat before she left and just kind of talked about the different ideas we had for decor, the different themes we want, and I think taking it room by room is the best choice. I right now really want some hanging stars, like star garland in my room, so I'm gonna try and work on that right now. I have my sketchbook that I literally have not touched in years. There's some extra pages in here, so I'm going to be smart and just use what I have and start making some stars and coloring them in.